Greetings, this is Tiger079 and this is day 590 of Tontine. So far we have exactly 6,751 players that have left the game. That's one more than yesterday, so if you made it this far, congratulations on your 590th day alive. So yeah, now we're down to 390 players living, so that's pretty good. And since there's only one player that passed away yesterday on the 8th of August, I'm just gonna click on my Stay Alive button in 3, 2, 1. Among the living I see. Good, you're still in the game. Make sure to visit tomorrow. Alright guys, don't forget to click on your Stay Alive button and I'll meet you back here tomorrow. See ya.